Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to customize the color and position of your sale badge in Shopify Horizon theme. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com right here, then click Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you can also log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store and scroll down until you see the Theme Library section, which is where your Horizon theme will be located. Then click Customize right here. This action will lead you to your Shopify editor. In here on the left panel, click on Theme Settings, then click Badges down here. Look for the Position on Cards section, then click the drop-down menu next to it, and select your preferred position for your sale badge. There is bottom left, and top right. You can also edit the corner radius of your sale badge right here. Next, under the color section right here, you can customize the color scheme for when your product is on sale or when your product is sold out. Next, you can also edit the font right here by clicking on this drop-down menu and the case right here by deciding if you want it default or uppercase. For the color scheme, if you want to set a different color scheme, just scroll up to this color section. Then you can see all the color schemes, and you can also edit or make your own color scheme by scratch by clicking on this plus icon right here. After you're done customizing, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can customize the color and position of your Shopify Horizon theme sale badge. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.